Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you prepare for a chemistry exam in one day. Let's dive right into effective strategies to maximize your study time, even with limited hours. We'll focus on quickly identifying crucial information, understanding core concepts, and practicing efficiently to build your confidence for the test. This approach is designed for rapid, targeted review. To make the most of your limited time, engage in active learning rather than passive reading. Don't just reread notes. Challenge yourself to recall information without looking. Solving example problems step by step reinforces understanding of chemical reactions and formulas. Additionally, explaining concepts aloud to yourself or a study partner helps solidify your knowledge and identify any gaps. Effective time management is absolutely crucial for a one-day study session. Break your study period into manageable chunks, perhaps 45 minutes of focused study, followed by a 10-minute break to avoid burnout. Concentrate on mastering existing material and reviewing areas where you feel less confident. Avoid trying to learn entirely new concepts, as this can be counterproductive and overwhelming. On exam day, ensure you are well-rested and properly nourished. A good night's sleep, ideally 7 to 8 hours, and a healthy breakfast can significantly impact your cognitive function and overall performance. Arrive at your exam location with plenty of time to spare, allowing you to settle in, organize your thoughts, and approach the test with a clear, calm, and confident mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.